Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to download and install Microchip Studio in Windows PC. Let's get started. So previously this was the integrated development environment for AVR and SAM devices from Microchip technology, that is nothing but Atmel Studio. It was named as Atmel Studio Integrated Development Environment or IDE, and now it has been formed or transformed as Microchip Studio for AVR and SAM devices. So this particular IDE is dedicated for AVR microcontrollers and SAM microcontrollers. So some microcontrollers are called as SAM, it follows like that. So for all those kinds of microcontrollers, this is the integrated development environment that you can use. And if you want to go with the latest one, you can just use this particular MPLAB X IDE, which we installed in the previous one of our video with XE8 or XE32 or XE16 bit compiler. But if you are willing to work on Atmel Studio on the legacy softwares, you can download and use this Microchip IDE. So let me just show you where you can download the Microchip IDE for free from microchip.com. Open the Google Chrome and type in Microchip Studio, and in the first link, that is from the Microchip technology, that is microchip.com, enter into that, and you can see here is the download button for Microchip Studio. Just click on this, you will be diverted to the latest version of software. You can see this is the latest version 7.0.2594. Click on the download button right over here, and you can see the software is started download. Let's wait for a while for the software to download. The downloading process is complete. You can see it has been finished. Now I'm just opening the downloads folder. You can see this is the installer that has been downloaded. Double click and open on this installer for starting the installation process. In the first tab, just click on this checkbox. I agree to the license terms and conditions, and if you want, you can keep this. I'm just unchecking this, and if you want to change the installation directory, you can change that here. Default installation directory is C program files x86, and it will be creating a folder called Atmel Studio. Now click on next, and as I said, the former name of this Microchip Studio is Atmel Studio for AVR devices. So in this current tab, it is just asking you what are all the architectures that is required for you to program in this particular IDE. There are three basic architectures available: AVR, UC3 and SAM. If you want only AVR based microcontrollers to be programmed in this particular IDE that you are installing, you can just check only this particular checkbox, and you can uncheck these two. If you want all these three things, you can check all the things and click on next. Here you can just select the framework example projects and click on next. And here in this tab, it is validating the system requirements. All are okay. Just click on next. And here click on this install button for starting the installation process. I'm just clicking on this. And in the previous video, we just installed the XE8 compiler. So you need not install that particular thing right over here. If you have any queries in installing the XE8 compiler, go to the previous video which I have made, where we have installed MPLAB X IDE with XE8 compiler for free from the microchip.com step by step. And in this video, I am just going to install only Microchip Studio for AVR devices. Just click on install for starting the installation process. If it is prompting you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device in the Windows software? Just click on yes. You can see the installation process has started. We'll just wait for a while until the installation is complete. Now it is prompting me to install the MPLAB X8C compiler, but it has been installed already in my PC from the previous video. So I'm just going to skip this step. So I'm just going to click on cancel right over here. Yes. If you have not installed the X8 compiler, just proceed with that particular installation so that the X8 compiler will also be installed in your PC. If you are not sure about how to install the X8 compiler, just watch the previous video which I have made. That is the downloading and installing of MPLAB X IDE in Windows PC, so that you will get an idea of how to install the X8 compiler in Windows PC. Click on install the device drivers. Finally, you can see the Microchip Studio or Atmel Studio has been installed in my Windows PC right over here. But here there is a warning printed right over here in the last tab. You can see the warning states that MPLAB XE8 compiler is not installed. But in the previous video of downloading and installing MPLAB X IDE, I have already installed the XE8 compiler in my PC. If you have not watched that video, please do watch that video before watching this. Now I am just going to uncheck this Launch Microchip Studio checkbox right over here, and I am going to click on Close. Now I am going to open the Microchip Studio that has been installed in my Windows PC. I am just double clicking on this icon in the desktop. You can see the Microchip Studio or Atmel Studio has been successfully installed in my Windows PC for AVR and SAM based microcontrollers. So in the next following video, I will try to make a video on creation of first ever project in this particular Microchip IDE for a AVR microcontroller. I hope in this video you learned how to download and install Microchip Studio or Atmel Studio in Windows PC in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.